Hey folks, so I bought some more stuff at auction, surprise, surprise, and just in this particular video, just showing you, you don't always get it right. Sometimes you screw up. I did buy a bunch of manuals. I'm hoping that there's some that are worth something. They didn't cost me a whole lot, but some of them aren't in the best of condition. I have a feeling these may be another dealer's rejects, but we'll see. I'll do some digging. There's a Chevette one, 74 Chevy, air cushion restraint system, kind of some oddball stuff. And then I bought, these were a decent deal. I've got lots of parts already, but always use more when the price is right. Bought some 45s just on spec. Don't see anything that's immediately good, or that I know is immediately good. I'll check them online when I have some time, maybe in the winter or sooner, who knows. But I don't see anything immediately that's great. The Wayward Wind by Frank Ifield. And then we got some kids stuff. Looks of it here. What's this? Think Twice Before You Speak by Al King. That's the advice some people could really use right there. Think twice before you speak. Yep. Anyway, Farmer in the Dell. So we got some kids ones. Looks like a lot of kids ones. I need all the help I can get. There's some other good, a good thought. Yeah. And Santa, bring my baby back. Okay. And then we've got some picture discs. These might have some value, we'll see, but considering they're religious ones, possibly not. Nothing goes up without coming down. There's some sage advice too. Nothing goes up without coming down. Yeah. Acres of Heartaches. Okay. And got some Bakelite cutlery, some knives, and then we also got a kind of a server thingy here. Glow Hill with Bakelite handles in the original box, so that's going to be good for $20-some. And then some mistakes. I've got these two wicker pieces. They are not old, they are modern. They're modern decor sort of stuff. There wasn't any measurements on the thing, and in the photos they kind of looked old, but they're definitely not. They're modern decorator stuff. So I'll just throw them on Facebook Marketplace and try to get rid of them for $15 a piece and get my money out of them. And then there was jewelry I bought. There's all bits of jewelry in here. The thing was, I was going after one bracelet because I could see the rest was just junk. And this bracelet I thought was maybe Bakelite. Turned out it's wood, just with a kind of a mottled swirl finish. So it's junk. So that was no good. So we got some junk jewelry. So that's what I ended up with, folks. Not a lot. Made some mistakes. Had to drive a half hour there and a half hour back to pick the stuff up. Anyway, thanks for watching, folks. Please be sure to like and subscribe. And check out our other videos on antiquing, picking, thrifting, scrapping, etc. Take care, folks.